Hello friends, today we will learn Suzette crochet stitch. It's a simple textured made with a single crochet and a double crochet. You will need your yarn of your choice and a hook matches with the yarn. I am using worsted weight yarn and a 4.5 mm hook. Start with the chain, make even chains. I have made 16 chains. Now work 1 SC from the second chain of the hook, 1 DC in the same stitch. Skip 1 stitch, work 1 SC, and 1 double SC in the same stitch. Skip 1 stitch, in the next stitch make 1 SC and a double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat across the row. In the last stitch you have 2 chains. Make only 1 SC in the last stitch. Don't make here 1 DC. Chain, turn the piece. In this first stitch we will make 1 SC and 1 DC. Skip this chain. Make 1 SC and 1 DC. Skip this DC and make SC and 1 DC in this SC stitch of the previous row. We will always work in the SC of the previous row. Repeat across the row. In the end, this is the last stitch. Make single crochet here, 1 chain and turn. Now let's make third row. This is the repetition of second row. Single crochet and double crochet in the same stitch. Skip this one and again make single crochet and double crochet in the same stitch. Stitch looks the same on the both sides. So there is no right or wrong side. Always place your stitches into SE, not the DC. And that's the Suzette stitch, easy, textured and perfect for blankets, scarves and garments. Thank you for watching.